Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's look, I wanted to do a little bit of a tropical summer inspired makeup look using a new palette by Barry M, and this is what I come up with. I don't think I've ever done like a look where I blended like different shades next to each other in a way that I did today. So hopefully this video is going to be helpful. And the first thing, like always, is I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm applying this all over my eyelid using a P84 brush by Sigma Beauty, which is my favorite brush to apply this eyeshadow primer. So for today's video, I'm using this Island Hopper palette from Barry M, which kind of screams summer to me. It looks so beautiful. It has all these really nice summer kind of colors. So I wanted to do a look with this, and the first thing I did, I went in with that super light matte color, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Then after that, I'm taking that super light neutral color, which looks a little bit more similar to like the color on my eyelid. So I'm going to use that to kind of set the eyeshadow primer in place. Then I went in with that soft purple color, and I'm gonna start blending that at the inner corner of my eyelids. And what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna use 3 different colors on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna blend them next to each other like I'm doing right now. And this will create a sort of ombre on the eyelid using different colors. And actually, I would never kind of use these shades in combinations. At least it's not really what I would ever go for. But I think it's actually really cool because using like total different colors can give kind of a cool effect. So next to that pink color, I went in with this orangey shade, and I did the same thing. I blended this in my crease, and I kind of packed it on the eyelids, but also blended it kind of really softly on top of that pink shade. So you get like a nice effect that these shades melt into each other. Now I did it with the pink and the orange, and now I'm going in with a different color, which is this more greenish kind of shade. And I'm gonna do the same thing, but now at the outer V area, kind of pressing it at the outer end of my eyelids. Then I'm gonna blend it in the crease, and then I'm gonna blend it a little bit on top of the orange shade, so everything blends into each other. And I've never really done an eyeshadow in this way, I think, not with colors like this. But it was super easy, so you can definitely do this eye look with like using different colors and give your own twist to it. It was super easy, and I will definitely do this more often with using other colors. Then I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but this time I'm gonna use the shimmery colors in this palette. So first I'm gonna use that green shimmery color and blend that around the outer V underneath the lower lash line. Then I'm taking the shimmery orangey shade and blend that at the middle part of my lower lash line. And then of course for the other part of my under eye area, like more towards the inner corner, I'm gonna pick up that more pinkish shimmery color. So now you have like an ombre effect at the upper part of your eye, like the eyelid. And then you have an ombre at the lower lash line as well. And I feel like because we use the same colors, it just gives like a really nice effect. Everything kind of comes together. Now for my inner corner, I went in with that super light color, which I believe is a matte shade. So I used it for the inner corner to kind of give it that nice pop. And then for my eyeliner, I'm going to use this eyeliner from Maybelline, which is my favorite drugstore eyeliner. And I'm not going for a winged liner today, but I feel like every time I use fake eyelashes, I always want to use like a thin line of eyeliner, so it kind of hides the lash band. You can also, if you want to recreate this eye look, you can skip this part and go in with fake eyelashes or mascara. But I personally feel like my whole eye look looks a little bit more neat when I use a little bit of eyeliner underneath it, because sometimes you can see the glue and I just don't like that. So I always go in with eyeliner. That's like the only reason why I'm doing that right now. So now for my waterline, I'm taking this pencil from Zoeva, which is the Karnat pencil, one of my favorite nude pencils for the waterline. And then for my mascara, I went in with the Roller Lash Mascara, which is my current favorite mascara. It really makes my lower lashes super long, and I feel like in combination with fake eyelashes, I just think it looks really nice, because fake eyelashes make your upper lash super long. So kind of to balance that out, I like my lower lashes to be as long as possible, and this mascara really does the job for me. So like I said, I am going in with fake eyelashes, and I'm going to use these beautiful ones. I will put the name in the description bar in case you're curious. And then now I'm going to apply them with some tweezers and some lash glue from House of Lashes. And then here you have the finished result with some fake eyelashes applied. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. I really love how it turned out, and I will definitely do this eye look more often, but using different colors. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna try to recreate this eye look. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!